Hello and welcome to Codezlux. Yesterday we have to talk about some web technologies. Today we will discuss some other web technologies. If you did not watch my previous video, then click on the above link and watch it. So let's get started. As we explained before, since computers don't use languages that are anything like human languages, they need a different way to communicate. Here are some of the most popular programming languages. JavaScript, which is used by all web browsers, Meteor, and lots of other frameworks. CoffeeScript is a dialect of JavaScript. It is viewed as simpler, but it converts back into JavaScript. Python, which is used by the Django framework as well as in the majority of mathematical calculations. Ruby, used by the Ruby on Rails framework. PHP, used by WordPress to create those WYSIWYG editors that everyone is using now. It also used by Facebook, Wikipedia, and other major sites. Go, newer language, built for speed. Swift, Apple newest programming language. Java, used by Android and a lot of desktop applications. Let's talk about the most popular ones in a bit more detail. JavaScript. It is one of the core web technologies, and if you want to learn more about it, you can start with this essential training that covers all the basics, working with functions and objects, interacting with DOM, etc. Ruby. The developers love Ruby, and for all the right reasons. Designed to be user-friendly and really easy to use, it's no wonder that this programming language is often called programmer best friend. What you can expect from Ruby is a shorter, readable code. Elixir. Elixir appeared back in 2011 and gained popularity almost immediately. It was inspired by Erlang, a language developed back in the zeros by Ericsson. Elixir author Jose Valim himself said that he loved Erlang, but also noticed some things that could use a bit of improvement. Scala. Scala stands for Scalable Language, and is one of the many attempts to write Java, and it is compiled to run on the Java Virtual Machine JVM. It is safe to say this programming language turned out to be quite a success, taking into consideration that companies like LinkedIn, Twitter, and The Guardian use it in their codebase. Next, the very important topic named protocols. Protocols is the instructions for how to pass information back and forth between computers and devices are commonly known as protocols. HTTP. The instructions for how to pass information back and forth between computers and devices are commonly known as protocols. DDP. The instructions for how to pass information back and forth between computers and devices are commonly known as protocols. REST. Used mostly for APIs, this protocol has standard methods like GET, POST, and PUT that let information be exchanged between applications. Next, on number 6, is the API. An API application programming interface allows other developers to use some of the app functionality without sharing the code. Next, on number 7, is data formats. Data is stored in a structure called a data format. JSON. JavaScript object notation is a syntax for storing and exchanging data just like XML. It is currently becoming the most popular data format out there. XML predominantly used by Microsoft systems. It used to be the most popular data format. CSV is data formatted by commas. For example, Excel data. So that's all about today's lecture. For more videos, subscribe to Codezlux and stay tuned. Thanks.